These super cool weapons don't even need bullets. They use fancy stuff like electromagnetic pulses to mess up enemy gadgets without shooting anything. These weapons totally change how battles work, making old-fashioned bullets seem kind of outdated. Let's dive into 12 powerful weapons that need no bullets. Number 12, Flymars Plus. The Flymars Plus is a real gem for collectors. It's crafted from top-quality 6061 T6 metal, ensuring it's super strong and works amazingly well. Its rubber band is seriously powerful, pulling up to 995 mm, setting a new standard in the industry. This slingshot is a powerhouse, supporting 15 mm steel balls, and is all about safety, offering double safety devices so you can use it worry-free. It's just the right size, too, with a 14 mm rod and 100 mm length, making it easy to handle while staying steady. Weighing 3.05 kilograms, it's stable yet not too heavy to carry around. One super cool thing about it is that you can adjust how far the rubber band pulls, giving you total control over how powerful your shots are. It's priced at $595 and runs on compressed CO2. Number 11, the Ultranet Gun. This gun is made for safely and effectively immobilizing targets. It shoots out a square net really fast at 15 meters per second, covering over 10 meters horizontally, making it great for catching those hard-to-catch targets. It's got these rubber weights at each corner for accuracy and control. Trusted by professionals worldwide, this Ultranet makes sure targets are handled safely and humanely. It's made from strong machined aluminum, so it's reliable and long-lasting. The metal valve system inside makes sure it always performs at its best. You can get your hands on this fantastic Ultranet gun for $500, and it's a top choice for safely and effectively capturing targets. Number 10, TAC-79. The TAC-79 stands tall as an exceptional launcher, setting new benchmarks in precision and reliability. Meticulously crafted in the USA with robust materials like 6061 T6 aluminum and 4140 steel, durability is its hallmark. Its 12-inch barrel isn't just for show, it's the secret to its remarkable accuracy and potent firepower, making it a true powerhouse in its league. Safety is woven into its design, featuring an ambidextrous hammer block safety mechanism, ensuring peace of mind during use. What's surprising is its portability despite its impressive performance. Measuring a mere 23 inches in length, 9 inches in height, and weighing just 4 pounds, it's a compact yet formidable tool. Versatility is where the TAC-79 truly shines. It accommodates various types of ammunition, broadening its range of applications, making it adaptable to diverse situations. From its sleek design to its capability to handle different ammo types, it's a versatile launcher for numerous purposes. For a price tag of $500, the TAC-79 offers an incredible blend of precision, reliability, and adaptability, making it a sought-after choice for those seeking a reliable and powerful launcher for various needs. Number 9, AR-6, Stinger 2. The AR-6 Stinger 2 is a compact crossbow that packs a serious punch and stands out for its rapid firing ability, especially in close combat. It might be small, but it's mighty, ensuring you're always ready for any situation. Speed loaders make reloading super quickly, and there's a bunch of accessories you can add to customize it. Whether it's a red dot sight for long distances or a laser and light for tactical use in the dark, you've got options to enhance accuracy. The redesigned cocking mechanism is lightning fast, and there's a fiber optic front sight integrated for quick aiming. Tough and durable, the AR-6 Stinger 2 thrives in any conditions, and the best part? All this power, durability, and precision come at an incredibly accessible price of $300. Number 8, Arcus Arrowstar. The Arcus Arrowstar pistol is something special, blending the best features of a pellet gun and an airsoft gun into one innovative weapon. It's super easy to handle with its ergonomic design and simple operation. Just pop in a CO2 cartridge, load an arrow, pressurize the gun, and you're good to go. Perfect for target shooting, it offers incredible accuracy up to 10 to 15 meters. With a 12G CO2 cartridge, you get 15 shots, and a 16G one gives you up to 20 shots, all with consistent pressure thanks to the regulator. Arrows fly out at 46 meters per second, around 166 kilometers per h, packing a punch of 10 joules with a 9.5 G arrow. You can grab the Arcus Arrowstar pistol for $310. Number 7, Benjamin Bulldog Bullpup. PCP Air Rifle. This Bullpup air rifle from Benjamin Air Guns is a game changer in hunting power. Compact at 36 inches, it's designed for easy maneuverability in the field, perfect for taking down a variety of game, from wild hogs to white-tailed deer and even larger African game. The Lothar Walther barrel ensures amazing precision and accuracy, making it a hunter's dream. It's got a reversible side lever, catering to both left and right-handed shooters, and a 26-inch Picatinny rail for adding accessories. Thanks to the baffled soundtrack technology, it's stealthy and quiet. Built tough with synthetic construction, a 3-round shot tray, and a 3,000 psi pressure gauge, the Bulldog delivers exceptional power and performance. It's priced at $750. Number 6. Interceptor Assault Crossbow. All the way from Germany comes the Interceptor, a crossbow that's breaking new ground. One standout feature? It has an exchangeable magazine, meaning you can fire rapidly without having to move from your firing position. Its bottom loading mechanism makes it super easy to attach big scopes, giving you new ways to customize your setup. The Interceptor's got something rare for repeating pistol crossbows: exceptional accuracy. It's also compatible with AR-15 gear and Picatinny rails, so you can personalize it with attachments. Made from sleek, solid metal, it's not just durable, but feels great in your hands too. This crossbow is all about reliability and precision, making it a super exciting option for enthusiasts. Keep an eye out for its release in late summer 2023. It's priced at $599. Number 5, EMG-02 CoilGun Arc Flash Labs introduces the EMG-02, a top-of-the-line coil gun with some serious firepower. It's gotten stages powered by medium voltage capacitors, making it fully automatic and super powerful. With computer-controlled stages, it can fire up to an incredible 13 rounds per second, reaching speeds of up to 75 meters per second. But what's really cool is how adaptable it is. You can use different caliber steel projectiles and dowel pins, ranging from 6 mm to 8 mm in diameter and 19 mm to 22 mm in length. If you need continuous shooting, it's got you covered with a 15-round magazine. Plus, it's got a long-lasting lithium-ion battery that can power over 300 shots before needing a recharge. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just looking for something unique and powerful, the EMG-02 delivers both performance and excitement. It's priced at $200. Number 4, VKS Pro. Meet the VKS Pro, the ultimate semi-automatic launcher designed for long-range precision with adjustable kinetics. It's like the AR-15 platform, offering top-notch accuracy and easy handling. Built with solid, reinforced construction, it keeps things lighter and more compact without compromising durability. The magazine works with both round and VX projectiles, giving you various payload options. Shooting with the VKS Pro is smooth, thanks to its recoil-free experience that enhances stability and control. Safety's a priority too, with features like the flip safety switch. Plus, it's got a mock handguard and an ambidextrous quick disconnect sling mount, catering to both right and left-handed shooters for comfort and convenience. With an adjustable folding foregrip for precise control, shooters can fine-tune their handling experience. You can get your hands on the VKS Pro for $1,180. Number 3, Mastershot tools like the Ramset Mastershot nail gun is mainly meant for construction work, especially for driving nails into tough materials like concrete. These powerful tools use 22 blanks as ammunition, giving them the force needed for construction tasks. However, they can also be used for self-defense in some situations. It's important to note that while nail guns can serve in emergencies, they do have limitations. Their range and accuracy are generally less than conventional firearms, making them most suitable for close encounters. You can purchase the Mastershot nail gun for $19. Number 2, Steambow Fenris Magazine. The Steambow Fenris Magazine, developed by renowned German YouTuber in partnership with the Austrian company Steambow, marks a groundbreaking innovation for compound bows. This specialized magazine introduces a whole new league of arrow weaponry, blending the finest elements of crossbows and traditional bows. Its user-friendly nature ensures it's quicker to prepare for a shot compared to a standard bow, capable of releasing all 5 arrows in under 8 seconds. With a 5-arrow capacity, it seamlessly fits most modern compound bows, effortlessly attaching to the bow's riser. For bows with one mounting hole, the Fenris Universal Bow Adapter is included for easy installation. This accessory significantly enhances firing speed without compromising on accuracy, available for $1,100. Number 1. ZAP Baton Extreme. Shield yourself against potential threats with the ZAP Extreme 1,000,000-volt stun baton, your trusty tool for self-defense. This high-voltage weapon gives you peace of mind wherever you are, be it at home, in your car, or while you're out and about. Packing a formidable 1,000,000 volts, this stun baton stands tall as a powerful deterrent against potential attackers. It's cleverly designed with multiple shock contact points on the tip, sides, and handle to ensure it's as effective as can be. Delivering an impressive 83,333 amps of stopping power, this baton swiftly and effectively incapacitates an aggressor when needed most. Ease of use and a secure hold are top priorities, and that's why it's equipped with a soft rubber grip. This ensures comfort and control during those critical moments. What's more, it's not just about defense. The built-in ultra-bright LED flashlight illuminates dark surroundings, doubling up as a practical tool for everyday use. Despite its incredible capabilities, the ZAP Baton Extreme comes at an affordable price of $63, making it an accessible option for anyone looking to prioritize their safety in a world where personal security matters. Alrighty, folks, that's a wrap for this video. We hope you find it informative and enjoyable. So, which of these powerful gadgets did you find the most interesting? Share in the comments below. Moreover, if you appreciate our content and wish to stay updated on our latest releases, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.